Module 5, Lesson 14's objective is to use math drawings to represent subtraction with up to 2 decompositions, relate drawings to the algorithm, and use addition to explain why the subtraction method works. Item 1. Solve by drawing place value disks on a chart. Then use addition to check your work. I'll go ahead and underline the important details. Drawing place value disks on a chart. Use addition to check. Item A, 373 minus 180. I'll go ahead and use the large rectangular box for my place value chart. I'll label the columns ones, tens, hundreds. And in the second box, I'll go ahead and write the problem vertically. 373 minus 180. Now I know it says that I can solve mentally, but I like for my teacher to be able to see how I solve the problem. Now let's go ahead and draw the place value disks in the chart. The number 373 has 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. It has 7 groups of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. As you can see, I put 5 in a row, just like on a tens frame. And the number 373 has 3 groups of 100. 1, 2, 3. All right, it's time to begin solving the problem. 373 minus 180. In 180, there is a 0 in the ones place, so I'm supposed to take away 0 ones. Well, I had 3 ones, and if I take 0 ones away, I still have 3 ones. 3 minus 0 is 3. In 180, there are 8 groups of 10 in the number, so I'm supposed to look at what I have. I have 7 groups there, and I'm supposed to take away 8 groups of 10. Well, I don't have enough to do that, so I better go ahead and unbundle a group of 100 and put it in the tens place. In order to do that, I'm going to erase this line here. And I'm going to lengthen my columns. Unbundling the group of 100 means that I have 10 tens and 100. So I'll go ahead and put them here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. As you can see, I already crossed it out so I wouldn't accidentally count it. Now, I can go ahead and show what I've done over where the vertical algorithm is. I had 7 tens. I need to take away 8 tens, and there weren't enough. So I unbundled a group of 100. I no longer have 3 groups of 100. Now I have 2 groups. And I put those 10 tens in the tens column. So I had 7 tens, and I put 10 more in there. That gave me 17. Now I have 17 tens, and I need to get rid of 8 tens. So I'll go ahead and cross them out now. 5, 6, 7, 8. That leaves me with 9 tens. Okay, I have 2 groups of 100, and I need to take away 1 group of 100 because the number 180 has a 1 in the hundreds place. So I'll cross that out now. That leaves me with 1 group of 100. Now the directions tell me I need to use addition to check. So I'm going to take the difference that I came up with and put it at the top. Move this number right over. And do the opposite of subtraction, which is addition. 3 plus 0 is 3. 9 tens plus 8 tens is 17 tens, or 170. There's a 7 in the tens place and a 1 in the hundreds place. 1 group of 100 plus another group of 100 is 2 groups of 100. Plus yet 1 more group of 100, that makes 3 groups of 100. So the sum is 373. That should be the same number that I started with. And it is. Okay, these are the methods that you will use to solve the rest of the problems on this page. Remember, you're going to use a place value chart with discs, and then you'll solve vertically or mentally. I chose vertically. Once you have your answer, you can go ahead and use addition to check. If drawing the arrows helps you, feel free to do that. It's a strategy I like to use so that my teacher sees where my numbers came from. If for some reason, though, your sum does not add up to the number that you started with, erase both problems and start over, because that means you got either the subtraction problem wrong or the addition problem wrong. Okay, good luck.